Welcome to day 2 of Roam Fest. If you missed day 1, I'll put a link to it down below. I wanted to start this video by showing some of the cool features that Baker Creek Preserve has to offer. This pathway was between the parking lot and the festival, and it has multiple varied skinny features along with pump track features, techie rock areas, and wall rides. Baker Creek Preserve also has multiple pump tracks near the parking lot, and is part of the Knoxville Urban Wilderness Trails, which in total have over 40 miles of trails. Baker Creek Preserve itself has both multi-use trails and mountain bike specific downhill trails. I started day 2 with a group ride. Since I'm not super familiar with these trails and my group did a bit of improvising, I don't remember every trail we did, but I'm pretty sure we started on Sycamore Loop, did Toll Road, Ripcord, and ended on Floyd Fox. Unfortunately, my GoPro died before we made it to Floyd Fox, but I think that was my favorite trail from today.
But if we go with you up that way, are you coming down this or you're coming back down?
How y'all doing?
Good. We're gonna just sneak through real quick.
Yep.
Beep, beep.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Hey. All right, so we're just gonna go down here, and then and we'll pop into Ripcord, and
the last
there's
one.
a lot of little stuff you can do. You can roll over or go around.
On my first ride, we saw a snake and a turtle.
So if you were good IAMs from here, you would just follow that trail. There's a bridge, and then it pops out into a road.
Is that where you go to the reservoir?
Yeah.
And when they say the Knoxville Urban Wilderness, what do they mean?
We're in it now. We got like 40 miles of trails that's just been interconnected to different spots throughout. So like we have a trail called the South Loop, which connects all the different areas. So AMBC has bought some land, and then some land's been donated. If you wanted to see where this little bridge is to the road, we can do that, or we can just climb back. and go find Nancy. She might be giving ribbons.
I'm cool to see a bridge. You guys want to see a bridge?
Want to see a bridge? Okay.
Sure.
You should go first.
Okay.
I'm just going to sit down.
Do you want to go before me?
No. You're doing great. Okay, you should go first.
Just ate. Thank you. Breakfast burrito.
You know what? I had a breakfast burrito too from Taco Bell. And I was like, I have no time.
We're doing great.
Excellent.
Nice out.
It's beautiful out. A little warm in the sun, but the woods are fabulous. And the smells so good.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that's the honeysuckle, I think. Where did you all go?
We went down to Ripcord and then we crossed the bridge just to show the connector to the South Loop. And back around. Now we get to make a choice whether we want to do Boyd, which is the original plan, or Cruze. It just depends on what y'all. They're both wonderful in their own way.
They are both wonderful. You cannot make the wrong choice. All right.
After the group ride, I had planned on doing a few workshops, but then I got invited to go swim at the quarry. So obviously I went swimming at the quarry. After dinner, I had a chance to try a hand cycle with Catalyst Sports in Knoxville, and I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to try one. It's fun, but it's so difficult. I had to remember not to stop on even a slight uphill, because if I did, I didn't have the arm strength to start moving again. The second day's evening activities included the big raffle items, where I won Shredley Bucks, which was super cool, and a silent disco with an animal costume theme. If you've never been to a silent disco, it can be incredibly entertaining to watch without music. Day 3 started with a blueberry pancake breakfast, which is a fantastic way to start the day before going out to ride. I had originally signed up for a group ride, but after getting to the festival kind of early, because free pancakes, I didn't want to wait around for my group ride to start. So after going to the Shredley booth to pick up my free shorts, I went out to ride with a girl I had met earlier in the weekend. I'm ready for a shower.
Oh my god, I'm so much. I've just been like washcloth bathing
Yep.
all weekend.
I went to the swimming hole yesterday. Did you go with us? Yeah, so
I know, that was like literally a saver.
that was
Because
my
I was
shower.
Like, oh, little right.
Yeah.
I just feel like I really got like a good layer of sweat.
Yeah.
Have you done this pump track?
No, is there one line or is there like multiple lines?
There's multiple lines. If you want to run through it, you can follow me. I'll show you a line.
I had a fantastic time at Roam Fest, and I'm so glad I decided to go. If you're on the fence, I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.